2007 with the double throttle body. The issue that we got, this pushing button, it won't work. You press it, the light don't show, and also won't crank. So take me a minute to find out what's going on with it. But now I got able to come in the lights in the cluster now, so I can crank it. And I can cut it out. Before, sometimes it will crank, but you can't cut it out with a switch. So I went to under the hood, disconnect the red fuse. It's like a 3 fuses in there, and also the 10 alternator to able to cut the cutoff. Disconnect the alternator fuse and the battery negative cable to able to cut it up the car. So far the problem was from the switch issues is to the body control module plug. If you go to the passenger side, that's the body control module. If you have any issue with that, you can wiggle this plug. You have the little blue one that he is plugging against to the wall, and you got the upper plug. I mean this one, that one. If you wiggle it, it's gonna come on. You switch on and crank the car and cut out the car off. So that was my whole issue. Body control module plug was not make a good contact. And remember, that's a 2007 G35. So now let's work everything.